Hi, today we're going to talk about retail operational business and understand how you can track your retail operation business in one Notion template. First of all, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a complete view of the screen. And this is the particular template that we're talking about. So this is the retail operational expenses tracker, where you can see that we have got a category section on the top and then the summary section next to it. Under the category section, we have got three different categories defined, which you can quickly edit by clicking on this pencil icon, and you can type in any value, it will get edited. If you want to delete this category, click on this three dot and click on delete, it will automatically delete. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page and new category will be added. Okay. So let me quickly undo the changes. For every category, we have got a budgeted expense value, which you can click and you can define your own particular budgeted expense amount. And for the actual expenses, it is being pulled from the expense table at the bottom. So as you enter any of the particular expense value, it gets updated at the real time at the top as well. And the percentage indicators reflect the same to show you how much of budgeted expense you have spent so far. Finally, jumping out of the summary section, you can see the total budgeted expense amount, the actual expenses incurred, which is being pulled from the value at the bottom, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses that was incurred so far. So this template is quick and easy to use to track your retail operation expenses. If you need any customization to this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.